a storm. Oh no. Okay. Okay. We should go. So, hey guys, I'm here with these three lovely ladies.
I'm Ariana. I'm Tamara Kingston. Alexis Bell.
Alright, so I came here and kind of bothered them, I guess. I don't know. But I'm asking them for some tips. What do you guys think about the hurricane, and like, can you give us some tips on preparing for it?
Honestly, I've never been close to a hurricane, this close to a hurricane before. So it's kind of scary, especially when my parents are calling me 24/7. So I would say make sure you keep in contact with your parents. If you have a car, get gas now because everyone's going to try to get gas to try to go home. Go to the gas station ASAP. Make preparations with your parents, figure out what y'all going to do, and pack your food.
My name is Joseph Bello.
Can you give us any tips to stay safe and prepare for this hurricane that's coming?
I would say probably just, find a good shelter and protect yourself that way, because you never know what can happen.
So do you guys have any tips on like preparing for the hurricane that's coming?
Completely honest with you, I don't live here.
She doesn't even go here.
I'm not even in the path of the hurricane where I live.
Okay.
I'm like an hour. I live almost an hour and a half from here, and I drive. So I got.
So be away from the hurricane.
That's your best chance.